What a cool gift I was sent to from the seller. This car cleaning kit was gifted to me in exchange for my review. As I open it up, I notice that it does have a set of instructions, but honestly, all of this is going to be very self-explanatory. This car care kit will include everything that you're going to need in order to have a very detailed and spotless drive, from a windshield wiper squeegee to the little brushes in the microfiber towels. Now these towels can be used many different places. It also comes with the sponge, and it has all those like nice little fingers on them, so it really will get all of the grime and dirt off of your car. It comes with several attachments. Now you will need to have a drill besides these attachments for them to work. Now I did put it all back together in the neat bag that it does come with. Everything fits perfectly, 32 pieces right in that bag. I'm going to go over the attachments, and as I said before, you're going to need a drill in order for these to work, but let me just pull them all out. I'm going to be cleaning my tires there, and you know there's nooks and crannies on tires, and these attachments are going to really shine them up and really clean out all the brake dust and dirt and grime. Very easy to use. And changing the attachments was super easy too. You can see I'm using the different brush, and it's really kind of getting into the little nooks. And then the smaller brush. I also used one of the 3 different types of brushes. And then the big brush. Now this brush could be used on the grill too. It could get off all those little bugs that get on your car. Right here's that car wash glove. Now it fits on there. You can use both sides. And look how well that it did wash up the car and get all that grime and dirt off of it. And then I finished up with the little velvet towel, and perfect. I used the squeegee on the windows, and it really did get the water all off. You can see all of the interior cleaning brushes that come with it, and the really cool vacuum. Now this vacuum has a huge suction power, and it has different attachments that really will get into every corner of your vehicle. Now right there you can see the long tube. That really was helpful to get up in the places I really couldn't with my hands. Same with this attachment that came with the vacuum. And then I also used it on the floor. And then I took off all of the attachments, and the suction power on the vacuum was perfect. Just what I needed in order to clean my vehicle. Several different detailing brushes were in this kit. You have the soft brush, and then you have 3 different sizes of the round brushes. And then right here, this one is kind of cool because it's an air conditioner brush, and you can flip it over and it gets the vents really well. And these were the 3 that have the different sizes, and it just really depends on what you need for what you're working and what you're cleaning. And then we have the dust rag. Now this dust rag, you can take that top off and clean it. I really like the little squeegee. That can be used for the rear view mirrors, but also I liked it for my screen too. It really got all the fingerprints off, and I really didn't have to do anything else. So if you're looking for a great car care clean kit, this is it.